Shapers, we are learning about shapes this week in math, as you know. And what does that word say? I have a picture clue to help you. Circle, another shape, square, and that one is triangle, and this one says rectangle. Your job is to go on a shape hunt around your house and look for things that are that shape. I wrote all of these on a sticky note, and then I wrote the word and drew what it was. You could do that too. Find some scrap paper, and you can just draw the shape, or you could draw the shape and the word. I'm going to show you things that I found in my house. I went on a little shape hunt that are circles. I looked and I found this right away. It's Oakley's dog dish, and it's in the shape of a circle. And a Tupperware lid in my cupboard. And of course, these things have come in handy. I've used these a few times with you guys. Cheerios. And these magnets that I had on my whiteboard here that I've been using. Those are circles. And Mr. Hogan's favorite thing in the morning to eat with his coffee. Donuts are in the shape of a circle, aren't they? Did you notice something about shapes? There's no sides and there's no points, no vertices on circles. Curved lines. All right, let's see what I found that were squares in my house. I found a stack of some Post-it notes. Those are in the shape of a square. And Cheez-Its. Found some Cheez-Its that are squares. And I found this in my cupboard. A box of some beef onion dip mix. And this was a picture that I have in my living room from my wedding last year. Love grows here, it says, and that's in the shape of a square too. What do you notice that's the same about all of these squares? Do they have sides? And do they have points or vertices? Yes. They have 4 sides. And they all have 4 vertices, or corners we call them. So those are all squares. And all the sides are the same length. Next, this one was really tricky and challenging for me. I had a very, very hard time. But I finally found these little pendants that I made, and these are in the shape of a triangle. I had those last summer that I made. So I finally found triangles. I was so excited. Thought I was gonna have to draw one, but that's okay if you do. And lastly, rectangle. Oh, let's hop back over here. I forgot to ask. How many sides are in a triangle? 3. And how many points does it have? Vertices? 1, 2, 3. It has the same number of sides as it does points. Just like a square, 4 sides, 4 points. Triangle, 3 sides, 3 points. And a rectangle. I noticed my book, The Gorilla Did It, is a rectangle. These 2 sides are the same length, and these 2 sides are the same length. 4 sides, 4 vertices, and a Tupperware lid. I was happy to find that. That was a cool find. And a picture of Regan, a picture frame. That's a rectangle, and I noticed this has the rectangle shape inside there too, the paper that I have. So there is my shape hunt that I put on the kitchen floor. I hope you have fun. I'd love to see a picture of what you found. Send it to me.